Hey everybody, Forrest here, ripping 2020 Select Football Hobby, 3-box number 110, random teams. I'll leave the results up here for just a moment. I did drop a link in chat a few moments ago, so if you click on the most recent link, it'll take you there. And they're always available on the website under the results tab. Appreciate it, everybody. Good luck. Silver rookie premier level, Eagles, John Hightower. Silver Deshaun Watson snapshots, Texans. Silver concourse rookie Jason Moore, Chargers. Tricolor premier level Gronk to 199, Bucks. Jerry Jeudy, 11/49, rookie jersey auto, Denver. Nice one, Denver. T. Higgins, premier level base. What up, Hank? Silver club level, Alden Smith. Jordan Love. Premier level purple rookie J.K. Dobbins. Nice color match. There you go. Ravens a 75. Silver premier level rookie Cam Akers, Rams. And a Swift field level rookie base, Lions. Got light or neon green rookie premier level T. Higgins. There you go, Cincy. That's to 49. Nice T. And Brashad Perriman auto for the Jets out of 49. And Herbert premier level rookie base. You can buy into breaks at LaytonSportsCards.com. We are all sold out tonight. So we have breaks on the schedule for tomorrow and then personals tomorrow after breaks. Chase Young. Got silver concourse Alvin Kamara, Saints. Jim Plunkett, silver field level rookie Joshua Kelly, Chargers. Concourse blue rookie to 175, Marlon Davidson, Falcons. Silver concourse rookie Laviska Shenault Jr., Jaguars. Antonio Gibson, premier level. Kelly Namath, club level silver Cam Newton, Pats. Tricolor concourse rookie Bills, Zach Moss to 199. Premier level silver rookie Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Chiefs. Eagles jersey card to 99, Michael Vick. Jags rookie concourse silver CJ Henderson. And a CD. Joe Reed, rookie maroon to 149, Chargers. And Jalen Reagor, tie-dye RPA, Eagles to 25. There you go, Eagles, 14/25. Michael Thomas. Silver concourse rookie Patrick Queen, Ravens. Darrenson Evans. Club level silver rookie Anthony McFarland Jr., Steelers. Silver selections rookie Justin Herbert, Chargers. Premier level silver, Edwards-Helaire Chiefs rookie. Yeah, Brennan. Interesting. Club level rookie blue, Michael Pittman Jr. Colts. Nice color match there. That's to 75. Good one there. Premier level silver, Randy Moss Vikings. Club level tricolor, Van Jefferson rookie to 99, Rams. And McFarland to 75, rookie auto Chiefs. Not Chiefs, that's Steelers, obviously. Steelers McFarland rookie auto to 75. Tua rookie phenomenon silver for the Dolphins. Club level silver, DeMarcus Lawrence Cowboys. Ooh. Look at that. We got some snake skin. I don't know what it is, but okay, so I got it right here. Snake skin. Black and green. It's premier level. Chiefs. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Premier level, rookie, black and green, snakeskin, 2 of 2. Boom. Kansas City, that's sick. Rookie, black and green, snakeskin. Heck yeah, love that parallel. That is beautiful. It's actually fairly well, the centering, like, I'm not a grader, but like naked eye, just right now, that looks really good. Wow, that's sick. Congrats, Chiefs. We'll mag that for you, of course. Premier level silver, Zach Moss Bills. That backfield is interesting, by the way. Is it Jordan Love premier level rookie? Because didn't they, who did they just get? Ronald Jones, right? Yeah. Joe Burrow, phenomenon rookie insert. Concourse silver, Darnold for the Jets. Yeah, I don't love it all the time either, but the black and green and select this year looked really great. So Herbert Concourse rookie base. Jordan Fuller rookie Concourse Rams silver. Orange Concourse, nice Bears rookie color match. Cole Kmet. That's numbered 1 of 49. Dig that too. We get some good color in the box here. Field level rookie silver Jake Fromm Bills. There's an Eason. It's been a pretty solid break so far. Claypool Concourse to 75. Nick Chubb jersey card Cleveland. Concourse silver Minshew Jags. All right, box 3. Good luck, everybody. It is possible, Cincy. It is possible. You've got James Morgan, premier level light blue rookie for the Jets, numbered to 99. Silver premier level rookie John Hightower, Eagles. Winfield field level. Winfield field level. Winfield level. Dylan. Jacob Eason, Concourse rookie blue to 175, Colts. Another Steelers auto here. It's Devin Bush to 49. Steelers. Club level silver Edwards-Helaire Chiefs rookie. Silver snapshots Kelsey for the Chiefs. Premier level silver Brandon Cooks Texans. Nice. Maroon Concourse rookie T. Higgins, Bengals to 149. Couple of nice numbered T. Higgins. And a 199 Colts rookie jersey auto, Jonathan Taylor. JT, nice hit, Colts. They did well as well. They had a blue Pittman earlier also. silver McCaffrey Concourse Panthers. So JT Premier level base. Concourse silver Larry Fitzgerald Cardinals. Club level white to 35 Michael Thomas Saints. Nice. Jonathan Taylor field level rookie silver for the Colts. Joe Thomas. Chris Godwin out of 99 jersey card, Tampa Bay. Concourse silver rookie LaMichael Pirine Jets. Concourse silver rookie AJ Dillon Packers. Club level silver Aaron Rodgers Packers. And Alex Smith tricolor to 199 Premier level Washington. Premier level silver rookie Cam Akers Rams. All right, so here we go. Got Chris Godwin, Nick Chubb, Michael Vick relics, Jonathan Taylor jersey auto, Devin Bush, McFarland Jr., tie-dye Jalen Reagor, Rashad Perriman, Jerry Jeudy jersey auto, and black and green snakeskin rookie premier level 2 of 2 Clyde Edwards-Helaire. There we go. That's going to do it. Thanks again, everybody. Got the mixer coming up.